Assalamu alaikum, Imran. First of all, thank you for giving a whole generation of Pakistanis the hope for a better Pakistan. I speak for not just for myself, but for a lot of other youngsters like me who now believe in a better Pakistan and are actually looking forward to being back in the country. My question is more about from your own life, from your own experience. What advice would you give to people like me who have graduated or are still studying in terms of staying here for a few years, going back? Do you think we can make a difference there, or we should stay here for some time and build our careers? So it's a tough one.
Look,
thank you.
Whatever you decide in your life, education is a means to an end. So you must ask yourself, why am I doing this degree? Is it just to have a salary? You know, is it just to have material comforts? Or is there a bigger purpose to that? Now, all the Pakistanis who I see here, you know, you're a tiny proportion of the privileged class in Pakistan. You have had quality education. So all of you should ask yourself the question now, don't you think you have a responsibility to all those people in the country who have no chance of, who are struggling, who are not equipped like you are to help themselves? So in my opinion, all of you, this is the time now to go back to Pakistan. This is the time to take the plunge. And while a lot of you think it's the worst of times, in my opinion, it is the most exciting time in Pakistan, because it's a time for change. Wherever you go in the country, and there was a recent survey, the International Republican Institute survey, 89% of people in the country want to change today. So it is the best time for a movement for change. And so this is an exciting time. You should participate in this movement, because one day you'll tell your children you were the movement that built a new Pakistan.